Hi, and welcome to Miss Matthews' Littlest classroom. This is a beginner tutorial series for the updated Planbook user interface. This is the second video in the series. In the first video, we walked through adding a new school year. Today, we're going to learn how to add events and no school days. Let's get started. Your first step is to move your cursor over to the left navigation panel. Slide down to Events, it's the calendar icon, and click it. Click on the kebab menu and then click Import Events. Where it asks Import From, select CSV file. Click on the sample CSV file to download your own template. You can also just scroll down to the video description and download the one I used for this year and change it up to suit your school. Mine includes report card dates and spirit days. Once you have your template downloaded, navigate to Google Sheets, or you can do it in Excel. For Google Sheets, navigate to the waffle and select Sheets. Create a blank sheet. Go to File, Import, and then Upload. Browse. Go to your download folder and then click Open. When the Import File dialog pops up, you can just click Import Data. Probably a good idea to rename your sheet for the current year. Then whip out your school calendar and any other planners for the school year that include PD days, events, national, provincial holidays, parent-teacher interviews, spirit days, etc. On the school sheet, it starts with the event start date. This is where you'll add most of your dates. If you have a spring break and there are multiple days that the event includes, then add an end date. Otherwise, move on to the next column. This is where you'll add a time, like parent-teacher interviews running from 4 to 9 p.m. or something like that. The next column is for events that repeat daily, but I can't think where I'd use this. So the next column is the event title, and the next column is a description. Something quick that you might need to add, like the location of a district-wide professional development day or details about a spirit day. I'll be honest, I'm not 100% sure what a cycle day is, so I just add the N and move along. But if you know what the cycle day is for, comment below if you know and how to use it. Anyway, then I just delete the days that I don't need. Done. Now we're going to download the file as a CSV file. So go to File, Download, and select the comma-separated values, the CSV file. Okay, now we're going to navigate back to Planbook and click on the box. Navigate to your download folder again and select the file you just downloaded. Next, we're going to click Open and then the check mark. Woohoo! Our baby step is complete. We've added our events and our no school days to the new school year. We're on a roll, people! Our next video will cover how to add classes and a timetable. Click subscribe to be notified when I upload it. As always, happy teaching. We've got this. We're doing fine. We've got this.